Welcome everybody, this is Glenn and Reed from Hawaii Trading Academy. It is September 26th, aka my birthday.
Yay,
What's up?
yay! Happy birthday, Glenn.
Thank you. We're still bringing to you some awesome trading weekly watch lists even on my birthday. Why? Because when you love trading, you love trading. And so,
Yeah, hell yeah,
um,
dude.
birthday or not, the markets are still going to do what they're going to do. And so, and this is a good example of like, hey, where's your mindset? If you want to celebrate your birthday, fine, totally fine. I did personally, I stayed off the charts all day today. This is my first time I'm going to be bringing it up tonight, to make any trading decisions. So that's what I did to just enjoy the birthday. So we'll dive in.
Yeah.
As we're sharing with Reed, this is the euro yen pair. This is a daily chart. As you can see, since May last year, this pair has been on a bull trend, with a little pullback here. Bears attempted to pull it back deeper, but the bulls continue to take over, made new highs, 134.12, about June this year. Now we enter on a pullback, and it looks like price is consolidating here, starting to form a consolidation phase. But if you go zoom in here, using these levels can give you opportunity to capture a short swing trade, which I am currently in. So if you look at the previous swing going bullish, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 day swing bullish, that's a good opportunity, if you were to capture. Same thing going bear. If you're this type of trader to capture these kind of moves, obviously this is the type of environment you want to see. I'm currently long in one of my evaluation accounts here. Initially I wanted to go short, but market proved otherwise. Flip my position, change the direction of your sales along with the win. Okay, so that's a good trade I got going on. USD Swiss is another one on my radar that I'm currently in. We broke out of this consolidation phase here since June and got a strong close with a secondary following strong close, but a deep pullback. But look at these wicks, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low, right? Even though the highs aren't really showing the strength, to me, if there's a breakout with a pullback and it's holding their line, with the bulls, then it still looks good for me to go long. Let's look at the S&P. Let's see here. Zoom in. It's a daily chart once again. Going back to a few weeks ago, well, on the 20th, leading up to that, before that, we had a nice pullback from a new highs of 45.49. As you can see, if you look back in the history of the S&P or the Nasdaq or the indices in general, when there is a sharp pullback, 2-3% drop, a lot of the times you will see correlating. I'm not saying this is predicting the future, but we look at the past history, price starts to recover in this V-shaped formation. So definitely, if you want to do that for homework, check that out. Look at the charts, and so that's exactly what this market is doing here. I'm currently long bias here. Same for the NQ. We didn't close below the previous low of 818, but we touched that area and then we bounced back. So as of now, this is looks like a type of recovery. I don't know if it's going to continue. I don't know, but at the end of the day, we don't know what the charts are going to do, right? So we just have to use what is presented at the time. Let's look at gold. Sideways market for me, not really presenting much. Let's look at corn. Oh no, natural gas. That's another one I was looking at too. Sorry. Right here. Look at this bull move. So this bull run started about April-ish. Well, actually, June. Nice long trend. Hit a new high, 5.65. Deep pullback. Probably a lot of bigger funds exiting their positions or stops getting hit, whatever the case may be. Followed by a nice bull run. And look at this strong momentum. Look at these bars right here, closing near the top of near the highs. So that's kind of a if you do your chart analysis, you'll see these kind of translate to strong momentum. Finally, so the forex, and let's look at crypto. Not too. I know there was an announcement last week with the crypto space about China, but so that might have caused this nice long wick here, touching 40,000 again. We've touched the area between 40,000 and 39,000 three times now, and so we'll see how that plays out. There's like, we hit a high here, hit a new low, lower high, lower low, and see where that goes. So I'll pass it off to you, Reed.
Awesome. Thanks, man. And again, happy birthday to Glenn, bro. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
All right. So first, oh yeah, let's share the chart first so you see what I am seeing. All right. So first pair I have is odd yen. Odd yen is creating this descending channel on the 4-hour with a breakout, broke through some EMAs, and now it's just ranging. Currently, if we look at the daily made a higher low and then a higher high and then a higher low. And so now I'm projecting that it could be going to a higher high, break through these EMAs. So hopefully looking at something on the 1 hour for a descending channel, pull back, and then enter around this region here after I get a descending channel just to get in. And so basically a descending channel breakout on odd yen. Moving on to Australian dollar USD. Same concept with this odd pair. It's done this descending channel nature, all for it to break out, go over the EMAs, and retest this descending channel trend line, and then reject it and move up. So I am also looking for buy signals here, but I need a little bit more momentum play, because overall this is in a descending channel. I mean a bear market currently overall, and now maybe it just wants to come back up and continue the major trend, which is the overall bull trend. So this could be a pullback and then just for continue, but currently price is showing that it is more bearish momentum. So I need just confirmation bias, and confirmation bias for me would be a break above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. Move. Oh no, I just deleted CAD yen. All right, we're gonna pull this up. CAD yen is on my watch. Wanda, here we go. So CAD yen, I like CAD yen a lot better than odd yen. I also like Glenn's position, the euro yen position, but I like CAD yen, so I'm sticking with CAD yen. It's very similar to the all yen pairs. It's kind of creating this descending channel breakout. So 1 hour, what I'm waiting for is either the EMA to pull and match price and hover around this area a little bit, and let this line represent the EMA. And once I get a rejection or a support from this EMA and it's creating some type of channel, I will go long here, or just a steep descending channel pullback like that. I know that's a lot of lines and it's kind of ugly, but you hopefully get the picture. If not, just feel free to ask some questions, but I'm mainly looking for some type of channel here for a continuation long. Next position is Euro odd. Euro odd has created this triple top, I believe. Let me just check dollar CAD. So yeah, dollar CAD and euro AUD are kind of similar in my book. So that's the vicinity, this area is just a 3 touch on this line of 1.61887. And it's also created this ascending nature on the daily. Let me delete that. Sorry, wrong tool here. Ascending channel on the daily. And if it breaks below this EMA, I will be looking for shorts. But again, it could just continue on higher. But overall, I am more bear biased than I am bull bias on this pair, euro Australian dollar. And then yeah, just a little bit more off of this is I love how the price broke below with strong momentum below these EMAs, and then it's also just testing this 4-hour 200 EMA, and once it breaks below that with the same type of momentum, I'll be confidently short on this position. And finally, I marked this or flagged this one red, which is the USD CAD, because this is my favorite of all the pairs. It's just broken out from an ascending channel with rejection of the EMAs. It's broken below my 4-hour EMAs, and it has a triple top on the daily. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. It has this bearish momentum here. It looked like price has just been wanting to go bearish for a minute now. And we've been watching this one for a few weeks now. So once it just breaks this trend line here and below the EMAs on the daily, I am going to be confidently short on this position. Last but not least is the fun one, which is crypto. You always got to cover crypto. So crypto, for my analysis, it is beginning to show some bullish momentum. Glenn stated that China did ban again the Bitcoin currency, so you can't trade it on any exchanges in China, for example. And so now Bitcoin is kind of doing its pullback now, or its run up again. It is testing the waters of 41,000. It could go back down to 28,000 at its worst. If it does that though, that's just rough seas ahead. But I'm bull bias on this one, as it could be creating this breakout of this descending channel here. So I like it. I wouldn't trade it right now, wouldn't get in it right now just because it's been so choppy. But other than that, that is all I have, Glenn.
Love it, man. I enjoy watching you just break down the structures and freaking draw your line channels, bro. Good stuff.
Yeah, hopefully it helps, man. Hopefully it helps. I'm awesome. Like I said, dude, these patterns and then your trading with the trend is just next level trading, bro.
Awesome. Well, that wraps up our weekly watch list for you guys. Hope you guys take charge and look for opportunities out there. Lots of opportunities to be had. Stay tuned for our trading topic Tuesday. As a reminder, we're going over exiting a trade. That the topic is going to be a one-off. There's no mini series for that one. We're just going to be talking about what to look for when you exit the trade. So definitely join in, and we'll see you guys during that time. Shoot.
All right, I'll trade safe. Shoot.